With almost 500 sessions at Next 2018, it's understandable that you couldn't get to them all. So if you didn't see GCP database migration services, then stay tuned because here's the rewind. Migrating your on-premises databases to the cloud is a fantastic way to reduce costs, improve reliability, and expand your scale. But the process of moving that data isn't always straightforward, which is why our teams here at Google Cloud have some best practices to share. Dominic Preuss walks you through the three main stages of data and infrastructure migration: assessment, migration, and validation, each of which have their own specific nuances. Let's start with assessment, where it's important to first discover all the information about your data, including what you're planning to move and what dependencies are involved with that. Then you need to learn about the capabilities of the cloud platform services you are moving to in order to understand feature parity and performance, at which time you can finally determine the right path forward for your migration. Now, once you have completed your assessment, it's critical to evaluate for each of your databases what migration type you do. This includes looking at each database and asking questions like if you still need it, if it should be replaced by another system, rehosted, refactored, revised, or even rebuilt. This helps you plan on exactly the type of work that needs to be done for each of your databases. Now, from a more practical perspective, it's important to ask yourself whether or not your database can handle downtime during a migration process. For example, if you can stop writes to your existing database, export your data to a resource like cloud storage, and then import into your new database, then this is going to be a less complicated and rather straightforward process. To speed up offline migration, the talk touches on a couple of performance hacks you can do. In short, optimize your schema, choose powerful instances for your import, and monitor progress to adjust along the way. If you can't allow for downtime, then you'll need to rely on replication to get the job done. This is where you replicate your data to the new database. And once the data is fully replicated, meaning the lag between the old and the new database is minimal, you can simply do a scheduled failover towards the new database with no or minimal downtime incurred. If you do a heterogeneous migration, there are a number of partner applications that can help you with the live migrations. Once you have migrated, it's finally time for the validation step, which first includes ensuring that all the data has come across properly, and then validating that your performance and cost expectations are still accurate with your new cloud-enabled databases. If you're interested in more information about migrating from Cassandra to Cloud Bigtable or Cloud Spanner, as well as a great customer profile with many live demos on how they accomplish their database migrations, then check out the full talk. Links, as always, are in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Cloud YouTube channel for more Next Rewind content. Thank you for watching.